Hi, so this is a video about what to do after each batch of chicken, because the machine will be filled with dust. To deal with that, the first step is to dismount the filter. For that, you have to pull out the ring. Just do this stuff. And take the filter out. When it's done, you just use automatic air and you blow inside the filter and outside the filter. Second step, you have to blow inside the machine, because even with the filter there will be some dust will go inside. So you blow. You take your time, you take at least 1 minute to blow well. Third step, it will be to blow at this point. There will be 3 holes. You will go inside and you will go up and down to blow. At each hole. And the third one over there. When you are done, you pull back the ring. There will be 2 small holes. And after you pull back the filter. And it's done. Voila. Thank you.